Hi, welcome to Business Time. I am Melisha. Today we will be looking at various financial institutions. We will be looking at the central bank, commercial banks, some non-bank financial institutions such as the credit unions, insurance companies, and building societies, as well as microlending agencies and government agencies. Let's look at each of them. The central bank. Now, every country has a central bank, and in Jamaica, our central bank is the Bank of Jamaica, right? The central bank is a national bank that provides financial and banking services for its country's government. So we can say that it's a state bank that is owned by the government. Commercial banks. These are companies that are engaged in money transmission services and is jointly owned by shareholders. And we are very much familiar with these commercial banks. We have like the Bank of Nova Scotia, National Commercial Banks, these banks that you can go into and you can open an account to save some money there. Persons can go there to get loans and all of that. Credit unions. Now, you'll remember credit unions from when you did cooperatives, right? So credit unions are financial cooperatives owned by members. They encourage members to save and in return provide them with credit at relatively low rates of interest. Now, when we talk about insurance companies, we are very much familiar with this. To insure your motor vehicle, you have to go to an insurance company to do that. If you want to take out a life insurance, you have to go to an insurance company to do that. So these are businesses that provides coverage in the form of compensation resulting from loss, damages, injury, treatment, or hardship in exchange for premium payments. So you'll make those premium payments in the event that there is an accident. So for example, somebody might be in a car accident and the car got damaged. Well, you can go to your insurance company to get some compensation for that. Building societies. These are financial institutions owned by its members as a mutual organization. They offer banking and related financial services, especially savings and mortgage lending. So if you want to buy a land or a house, then you can go to a building society and you'll get a loan to do so. And a common building society is like Victoria Mutual Building Society. We have micro lending agencies, and these are agencies that gives loans to small business owners. So for example, like in Jamaica, the Development Bank of Jamaica lends money to these microfinance institutions, and then they in turn will give loans to entrepreneurs or small business owners. And several examples of micro lending agencies in Jamaica include Access Financial Services Limited, Jamaica National Small Business Loans Limited, Lasco Financial Services Limited, and Microcredit Limited. The final one, government agencies. A government or state agency is a special government organization that is set up for a specific purpose. So they are responsible for the oversight and administration of specific functions. So like in Jamaica, we have the Bureau of Standards Jamaica. They help to set standards and ensure that businesses abide by those standards. Their aim is to ensure that any product or service that's out there on the market is good for use, for consumption. All right, that is it for the various financial institutions. Hope you learned something. See you next time.